What are you doing? This is Eddie again. Look at how big and strong he is as he eats rhubarb leaves. Cuckus. Ooh, cuckus. Bleh. Do you want a bean? You want to try a bean? I don't think you're going to like it. Mm-hmm. Hey, maybe you do. Mmm, beans. Mm-hmm. This is how Eddie and I play. We wander through the garden and see what it is that we like to eat. And today, Eddie has discovered green beans. Mm-hmm. Good boy. That's my pocket. That's not a plant at all. Look at how big he is. Today, though, say goodbye. Look, let's go in a little closer. Oh, there they are. Say goodbye to Eddie's balls. He will lose them this afternoon in 1 hour and counting. It will be my first emasculation as well as his. Okay. Say bye, Eddie. He likes to eat dirt.